how to change your username on Discord. Well, first you gotta have Discord on your phone, right? And then go click on Discord app, and then after that, what you do is you click on this section right here, the one that says you and you. Yeah, my username, my profile picture are pretty different, guys. So don't really pay no heed to that. Now you edit profile, click on edit profile, and here my name says something really different, which it is my favorite name. But yeah, you go click on it and you erase that name, right? And you could just call yourself something better than that, or what I had said. So let's say I want to call myself 360 No Scope. That's how you do it, right? And then you just click on save. And likewise, your name would be saved, but I would prefer to keep my username because it is really nice and I love it. And I've been using this since a little while now. But besides that, guys, this is pretty much how you want to change your username on Discord, and that's how you do it. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video.